Welcome to RPF. In this video, we'll talk about automation anywhere, data table for each row, and sorting operations. For performing this, I will just drag and drop one step. View will provide the file name or step name. As a logic point of view, let's consider we have one CSV file and which contains a tons of data where we wanted to read each rows or do the sorting operations, then this automations will help you a lot. For that, I just dragged and dropped one actions where it will open CSV file and provided the file path. Once the file path is defined, I wanted to read contains header as well. Post that here, I will drag and drop read CSV file where once it is read, I wanted to store the value in one variable. Now, once this is done, I will wanted to loop through it because this is the data table. So for each row in a table and employee details on my variable. And here we wanted to get table row as a name used as an output and see I will iterate it throughout my message box. So here I'm adding message box. Unless and until data is available, it will keep running it and we will get output generated accordingly. So this is my Excel file which contains employee ID, employee name, locations. And some records are also available. So whenever I will run, I will get all those informations iterated and accordingly we'll have the output generated in message box. So here I'm targeting just employee ID. Let me save the code and run the flow. Now you can see here, first ID I received as 101, will close it. Then it will start iterating throughout all those IDs. And then once this is done, it will close. And now our executions will be completed. Now this time I wanted to read row as 1. It means I'm providing the indexes. So this time I will get output of row number 2 because index always start with 0. So here you can see I received 1 as name because first is employee ID, second is name, and third is locations. That's the reason we received based on the indexes. Now let me add another step where I wanted to perform sort operations, a sort data table. Now we'll try copy same actions which we have added in previous step. So CSV open is one, CSV read is another one, and then we'll try to add one actions that is sort. So here you can see we have direct sort actions available where we'll add our variable name and how sorting will be done either by name or by indexes. Whichever options you feel is better, you can define it. As of now, I'm targeting employee ID. That's the reason I specified index 0. And the order will be descending order. Totally up to your requirements. Whichever fields you want, you can select it and provide the index accordingly. If you feel any confusions into the indexes, you can always go ahead with the name as well. Now, this time I'm targeting to add the variable name so that will have output generated via message box. So employee details.legacy automations table to with strengths, and based on that we'll get an output generated. Now here I wanted to save the sorted value into new file. So here I'm overriding existing file. Let me save it and then run the code. Now I can see here message box contain all the value which got printed. You can see orders 105 Sita Delhi, 104 Gita Delhi, 103, 102, and 101 because we have added all those informations into to order. And if you'll open the Excel, sort Excel data after this, you'll also see the same result. So instead of index, we can also try it out with name. This time I'm sorting with location name. And this is ascending order. So sorting will be done based on the alphabetical order. If you can see here, Delhi is coming first. That's the reason 101 got first. Goa is second, Pune, and then Mumbai. Delhi, Delhi, Goa, Mumbai, and Pune. So that's how quickly we can perform the sorting operations, and same records or same data will be stored into my new Excel file. That's all for today, where we discuss about how to sort the operations or sort any Excel data using automation anywhere. It's a very quick and easiest way where we can do the implementations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to share within your circle. And if you want to learn more about Automation Anywhere, feel free to refer my Automation Anywhere playlist. And I've already created one Udemy course. If you want, you can opt it where you learn 7 real life use cases. After opting that, you'll be able to create 7 use cases by your own. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.